Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add the best chain network on MetaMask. So first and foremost, open up your MetaMask. As you can see, this is my MetaMask. And by default, MetaMask will be in the Ethereum main network, this one over here. But what we want to do is simple. Click on this drop down arrow up there and then click on add network. Once you click on add network, you see the best chain network over here or the best network. So click on add just besides the best network. As you can see here, you'll be prompted to confirm this. So click on confirm and then click on switch network. So when you switch network, you switch to the best chain network. As you can see, if you see this number over here or this letter, it says best. So this means we are in the best chain network. And that's how simple it is, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.